Brain Teaser Challenge. Let's begin. Easy level. Number 1. If you have 3 apples and take away 2, how many do you have? Think carefully. The answer is 2. Number 2. What comes next? 2, 4, 8, 16. Keep doubling. The answer is 32. Number 3. A rooster lays an egg on top of a roof. Which way does it roll? Wait a second. The answer is roosters don't lay eggs. Number 4. How many months have 28 days? Don't rush this one. The answer is all of them. Number 5. If you drop a ball, it falls. What makes it fall? Simple science. The answer is gravity. Number 6. What number comes after 9 if you count backwards from 20? Think in reverse. The answer is 19. Number 7. If you have 1 match and enter a dark room with a lamp, a candle, and a fireplace, what do you light first? Think carefully. The answer is the match. Number 8. What's always in front of you but can't be seen? Think about time. The answer is the future. Number 9. A man has 53 socks in a drawer, blue, black, and red. What's the minimum number he must take to guarantee a matching pair? Picture it. The answer is 4. Number 10. If 2's company and 3's a crowd, what are 4 and 5? A little wordplay. The answer is 9. Number 11. A farmer has 17 sheep and all but 9 run away. How many are left? Listen closely. The answer is 9. Number 12. If a plane crashes on the border of 2 countries, where are the survivors buried? Think carefully. The answer is nowhere. Survivors aren't buried. Number 13. You see a house with all 4 walls facing south. A bear walks by. What color is the bear? Visualize it. The answer is white. Number 14. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Look at the letters. The answer is the letter M. Number 15. If you divide 30 by half and add 10, what do you get? Don't rush the math. The answer is 70. Number 16. Which weighs more, A pound of feathers or a pound of bricks? Think carefully. The answer is, they weigh the same. Number 17. A man builds a house with all 4 sides facing south. A bear walks past. Where is the house? Picture the location. The answer is the North Pole. Number 18. You have a 3-liter jug and a 5-liter jug. How do you measure exactly 4 liters? This one takes thinking. The answer is, fill the 5-liter jug, pour into the 3-liter jug, empty it, transfer the remaining 2 liters, refill the 5-liter jug, then fill the 3-liter jug, leaving 4 liters. Number 19. If it takes 5 machines 5 minutes to make 5 items, how long would it take 100 machines to make 100 items? Think efficiency. The answer is 5 minutes. Number 20. A train travels 60 kilometers in 1 hour. How far will it travel in 3 hours? Simple math. The answer is 180 kilometers. Number 21. What number do you get when you multiply all the numbers on a phone keypad? Think about every digit. The answer is 0. Number 22. If you pass the person in second place, what place are you now in? Careful. The answer is second place. Number 23. A clock shows 3:15. What is the angle between the hour and minute hands? Think precise. The answer is 7.5 degrees. Number 24. How many times can you subtract 5 from 25? Tricky one. The answer is once. Number 25. I am a number. Multiply me by any number and I always stay the same. What am I? Think about it. The answer is 0. Number 26. I am a 3-digit number. The digits add up to 15. The tens digit is 5 more than the ones digit. The hundreds digit is 1 less than the tens digit. What am I? Take your time. The answer is 564. Number 27. If 10 people shake hands with each other once, how many handshakes occur? Count carefully. The answer is 45. Number 28. I am an odd number. Take away 1 letter and I become even. What number am I? The answer is 7. Number 30. A lily pad doubles in size every day. It fills a pond in 30 days. When was it half full? The answer is day 29. Number 30. You see me once in June, twice in November, and not at all in May. What am I? Final challenge. The answer is the letter E. That's the end of this brain teaser challenge. How many did you get right? Be honest, did the extreme level catch you off guard? Drop your score in the comments and challenge someone to beat you.